So you're doing everything too linearly. You've got to be able to understand compound interest, but in your social and dating life. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how Instagram is that thing, is that tool that you need to invest in, and it's going to compound year after year after year, and you're going to have some of the best results, the best network, as well as you're going to be the guy in the city that everyone wants to meet and everyone wants to be like. So let's get into the video.
So most guys are spending hours trying to get the attention from women and make friends with cool people, and the problem is their system. That's the biggest thing. And they don't understand that, without this, it's like driving a car with a handbrake on in reverse with a sleeping mask on. That's how bad it is, guys. Like that car ain't going anywhere except in the wrong places. So fix the problem, not the symptoms. Everyone will throw the wrong symptoms. Fix this, fix that. But in the end, it's a fixing this one. It's the big one. It's the one that's your social life, your work life, your dating life, all three of them combined. So let me dock myself down a little bit, even though I got a pretty face. This is what we're really here for. If we can incorporate something in a system in your life that A, is a system, is repeatable, and it saves you time, then everything to do with networking, everything to do with attraction, with the types of women that you want in your life, everything to do with your whole lifestyle becomes systemized, repeatable, and it saves you time. And that, in the end of the game, is the most important asset to you. So as we go down, this is what we're talking about, Instagram. You probably heard it 1,000 times, but you won't have heard it the way that I'm going to describe it right now. So what we want to do is treat your Instagram exactly like you treat your business. You want to treat it like your baby. It's like a puppy. It's like a family member. This is how important it is when leveling up your lifestyle and getting the attraction and getting the social circle and getting around the people that we want. So let's go back to the 1990s. Let's go back to Patrick Bateman when he was vice president of Pierce & Pierce. Mergers and acquisitions, and exactly like how they used to perfect their business card, that is how you perfect your Instagram. The fonts, the style, the paper, the smell, how it felt, the crispness of it. That's what they used to do back in the day. That's what signified status. That's what signified who you were. Like, who were you without a business card? You were nobody, absolutely a nobody back in the day. And so that's pretty much like when you have no Instagram, you're a nobody. Now, I'm not trying to say that it's being very facetious, very, grandiose with my things, but it does make sense that if everything and your ideal girl and the people that you want to connect with, this is the tool. If you want to travel around the world, make new friends, this is the tool. If you want to get the attraction from the types of girls that you want, this is the tool. This is the thing that I've been able to use for the last 5 years. Now, what we're going to do is go into a part of my program, Social Life Mentoring, it's my mentorship program, and show you why this is so important and how to actually incorporate this system into your life today. So let's have a look. We're going to go to the very first thing here, which is Instagram is made up by posts. Now, these are media files like here that you are showing off. Now, they're not just showing off. We don't do anything carelessly. This is my Instagram, for example, and everything has a purpose, a play within a play. There is a specific reason why we're doing this. So we're going to go down and I'm going to show you exactly why. So with my life here, these are the things that you're showing off. Very adventurous, masculine vibes here, very power, power poses, with people here, fun, rock star. If you actually go through, I'll show you, this is the elements that I'm showing off. Now, I'm showing these off for a certain type of reason, and we're going to go through here. So I post the things about, that word should be there. The post the things you would want your future girlfriend to like. So all the things, I want a girl that's adventurous. I don't need a girl that's masculine, so get rid of that. But I like someone that has fun. I like someone that likes the rock star vibe. I travel around the world. I have fun with friends. I go to cool cities. I do adventurous things. And so what I would like is my future girlfriend to like those kind of things as well. So I'm posting them for them. Now, the reason why I post it for these girls, let me listen up, get myself bigger real quick, is that you don't have to post social media stuff for cool guys. What will cool guys like? Girls are kind of like the status quo. If you post cool things for girls, you attract them. Now, other cool guys find this. These are for girls. This is what girls find attractive. I'm posting that, and as a byproduct, cool guys like me as well because it shows off certain signals that I'm like them. I travel around the world. I do this. I do that. Now, it never started like this. It started very basic, but still, I would show off a cool lifestyle. I'd show off I'm adventurous. I go to the beach. I go hang out. I have nice clothes. These are the things that are elements, like I've still got the same shirt right here. These are the elements that are going to put you on the map when it comes to socializing and networking with the right types of people. So this is where a lot lot of the attraction of the right types of people in your life are going to be. Now, next we're going to go to here. We're going to go to the DMs. These are just a couple of DMs that I got recently. So, just want to come over. Yep, So if we get the first element, so the first element over here, if we get the post down pat, we optimize our account, it looks good, then DMs are going to feel fun. Now, the reason why DMs are going to be fun for you is that you're getting a higher DM rate back from it. The reason why it sucks right now, you probably hate it. You're sending a few DMs out to some girls. You're sending some few DMs out to guys, and you're getting nothing back. You ain't getting messages like this back. But you meet the cool kids because, again, your profile is signifying that you're part of the club. You're part of the cool kids. You understand the vibe. You understand that social media and Instagram is the biggest dating app, is the biggest social app, is the biggest networking app there is in the world. You understand. And when you understand that and other people understand that, that this app is very important and you are not someone that poo-poos this app, that hates this app, you're someone that vibes with it, they like you and they have a thing in common with you. Commonalities. The last thing is stories. This is where you're going to use a lot of this stuff to not only help the posts, but the stories are going to show off the lifestyle. So these are some of the things that we do in the stories. Some of the things: POV content, sunsets, travel, hobbies, chick crack. It's part of my program. If you know what that is, you know what that is. So these are some of the things that you're going to be posting because it shows off your lifestyle. By showing off your lifestyle, you are getting a big reach to people. We're going to cover that in a very short moment, why that's very important. You want to reach as many people as possible rather than these one-to-one interactions. Even though they are good, I'm going to show you that this is very important. It's going to help your one-to-one interactions. So let's follow this blessed line up here. Oops, let's go up here. And so here, what is your image? You're like, I know what you're saying. I don't know what to post on social media, and I want you to do this. So here's two things. We're going to go for a mental leap here. What am I selling? What do people want to know about me? That's the number one. What are you selling? Now, you're not coming from a buyer-seller frame. I'm going to show you that that is not the case. You are not coming from a buyer-seller frame. What you're doing is completely different. So your image. For me, entertainment, social proof lifestyle. That's what I do. That doesn't have to be your lifestyle. Your lifestyle could be, maybe you do like entertainment, adventure. Maybe you like animals. Maybe you like business stuff. Maybe you like crypto. Whatever it is, you're going to put it out there, but you're going to really rock it. The things that you like, you love, right? I don't want, in a video that I did before, I talked about aura. Your aura is what you're posting out here. That's what your image is. And again, stop caring what people think about your image. Now, as a paradox, you also have to make sure it's tailored. Not giving a fuck, but tailored, okay? Not giving a fuck, but tailored. Tailored to, again, what your ideal girl will like, what the cool guys, again, they are a byproduct of what the cool girls like. And I do everything, cool, adventurous and stuff. Like, it's not everything like I'm with girls and girls and girls and girls and girls. It's not like that. I'm showing off a lifestyle because the lifestyle is what's going to attract the right types of people. So, what am I selling? Which is going to be what I'm just going to answer, and what do people want to, what do I want people to know me for? So if you don't know what to post, again, you're wasted, and you have the big problem. You don't know what you're selling, and you're wasted. This is what you're selling. Self-marketing. You have a self-marketing problem. Oh, let's do it in red. Why is it in green? You have a self-marketing problem if you don't know what to post about yourself. That is the big issue. And that comes through your communication. That comes through your, conversations. That comes through everything. You don't know how to market yourself properly. So when I say selling, it's a little bit less of selling. It's more, I don't know how to market myself. Okay? So you have to be putting back in here. What do I stand for? What is my image? Who do I want to become? I like to dress really nice. So that way every single outfit I have does not feature more than once. I like to have a cool lifestyle that I do. So I try to go to as many cool places as possible. When a girl comes in my life, when a cool guy comes in my life, these are the things I'm going to do. It's no different than if they actually met me. This is what I'm actually doing. Okay. So if you don't have any cool hobbies, you don't have anything, it's because your lifestyle is very much lacking. And here we're going to cover that. And we're going to show you how you're able to incorporate that lifestyle. So let's go back up here, because what's going to happen is that here, what I said before, the fake gurus are going to sell you a single skill that only fixes one part of your life. If you know what I'm talking about. They cleverly forget to mention the time it takes to get good. Being someone that was world-class at it, I know how long it takes to get good. The real problem is that you don't have a system that multiplies everything at once. So let's go into what I was saying before about one-to-many. Okay, so this is you, and this is the skill set they send you. 1 unit of energy in, maybe not even 1 unit of energy back. 1 unit of energy in, About half of you today. One for one for one for one. You do that for a couple of hours a day. Man, you got a business to build. You can't be doing this, okay? Now, this is what you want to be doing. The system that actually multiplies everything at once for you, the women, the connections, the business opportunities, everything is this one. You going to different people. So this is you to 50 people watching, to 20 people watching, to your interactions with 100 people. This is social media. These are the stories. These are the posts. This is using the app. These are the DMs. Again, it's going to be better than going out 5-6 hours a day to the mall and having these one-on-one interactions. There, I gave you a little teaser for the guys that didn't know. This is why it's going to be much better for you, because it's one to many. Now, let's scrape all the way up here, and this is going to be the flywheel. Let me go back here. Okay. I'll get a little bit bigger for here. So the flywheel goes like this. You're going to be posting content, okay? Now, content, we worked on what things. You want to be showing off your lifestyle to your ideal girl, what she finds attractive, but also you want to have some hobbies. You want to have some cool things that you're doing. This then optimizes your account. Okay, and we teach the guys in SLM how to optimize their account. You want a really good profile because it's standing out, showing who you are, and this is what people are going to vibe with. As well, they're going to meet you one-on-one, but they're also going to go on your Instagram and see like, okay, he was cool in person, but what's he present online? Oh, he's cool there, cool, he's a cool guy. But if it's absolutely killing your conversions, they're like, oh, look at this Instagram. Oh, as I said, you're driving reverse and you got a blindfold on. You optimize your account. What this does is attracts the right types of people because it's not taking away. You're able to get more leads on social media. You're able to meet people in person, get them on Instagram, and they actually vibe with you. And from there, what this is going to be doing is another thing too. When you are posting content, you're optimizing your profile, you're attracting. This little system in here gets you excited about posting content. Now, excited about posting content, you can't just post it in your room all the time. So you've got to go out there. What this will do is you're going to go to events. You're going to go to a lot of things. You're going to go out. It gets you out of the house. Come on, man. You got to get out of the house. You can't be behind a desk chair like I am. Whoops, I shouldn't have been in the desk chair. But you ain't going to be about a gaming chair. And you're going to be someone that's out there and about it. You know, stop spending 16 hours a day, on your computer. So when you go to this event, you're going to leverage the opportunities to go to these events, right? You're going to take photos. And what that does is that's going to post content. The more content to do, the more optimized your account is, the more you're attracting the right types of people. You're still going out. This also, gets you invites to events, which is cool because the right people start messing around with you. They start having a good time with you. And then you're going to leverage those opportunities for business connections, social connections, girls as well. Then you're going to post. This is the flywheel. This is where it starts to go very, very quickly. Here is a quote by Einstein. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. Okay? He who doesn't pays it. So we're going to go into here. Let me dog myself down really quickly. Perfecto, patronum. Okay. We're going to be posting stories. What that does, this is kind of like a life cycle again. We're going to show off the lifestyle. Okay, we're showing off our lifestyle from the stories, like I said before. What this does is attracts the right types of people. From the attraction, we can hit the DMs. Also, we can, when we meet people in person, the DMs hit better. So everyone's worried about what's the text scripts, what's this? It's like, if you have a cool lifestyle, the DMs just hit really, really well. So that's that one. When you're posting content, this is what's going to connect a lot of cool guys with you, is you're building an ecosystem around who you are. When you build the ecosystem, you start going out and about, invites come out, as well as you're going to events, so you're meeting different people, and so on and so forth. The content makes you want to get out of the house. From there, more opportunities, meet cooler people, business opportunities. You can meet really cool guys that are in your industry or whatever you're doing. Now, if you have more girls, again, more pre-selection social proof that you can show on your social media. From there, there's that momentum around you. Again, a lot of these entrepreneurs, a lot of these nerdy guys, they don't have that. So if you're showing that off, that's not only attractive to other girls, like, oh my God, he's available. Oh my God, I want to be with him because other girls find him attractive. As well as these other guys are just like, yo, Sam's cool as hell. I want him around. You become a little mini celebrity in the city. And all of this is by this one simple app that I just told you the system for, which is Instagram. So we follow this right here. This is my program, Social Life Mentoring. Here's a couple of students that we have. We built out their social medias. As you can see, it looks absolutely awesome. And so if you want to be part of it, it's a mentorship program, group calls with me, as well as a bunch of content. You can see social media, game, dating, social circle. It took me a lot of years to make this. It's not just a simple process. This is a thing that actually takes you from A to B. And I wouldn't say that if I didn't truly believe it. We've done it for so many guys. So all you got to do is click this link below or in the description, sociallifementoring.com, book a call in, go through the type form, and I will see you on the other side. But guys, that is basically the system that you have to create for your life. And I guarantee you it will be better than anything you ever try ever again. And none of these fake gurus can sell you on, because that system works so well. I've been doing it for the last 5 years, 6 years really, and nothing beats it. So arrivederci.